Ta-da! Hi guys, Namaskaram and welcome to my channel. I am super excited about today's show because I'm going to show you something really magical. That's why I've hidden it over here for the big reveal, because what is underneath this cloth is definitely a magical product. You guys know that about me, right? I'm not going to endorse anything that I don't believe in or I haven't tried or I haven't tested it out. Trust me. I tried it, I tested it, it's awesome. It's sleek, it's sophisticated, it's modern, it's gorgeous to look, and it's a techie geek. It's also a robo that is done with an intelligent programmable cooking in order to take care of all your cooking needs. Seriously, it's called the Geek RoboCook. Yay! Applause everybody. Give it up for the Geek RoboCook. I love it. I got this last evening. I tested this. It's gorgeous looking and I love the fact that it came double carton wrapped. You know, so much safety, and that it came perfectly wrapped. And this is the pressure releasing button. Actually, I don't need to do it, but if you need to release the pressure from the cooker fast, then you can use this button to safely release the pressure. And once all the steam has come out, only then you need to open this. Otherwise, you'll find, if you're at any point of time finding difficulty to open the cooker because it means there's too much of steam inside, kindly don't try to force it open. Inside, there is a wonderful container which is beautiful. It's so smooth and nice. Actually, it didn't even take up much of oil when I cooked with it. And what I love about is the fact that it's got measurements out here. On one side you have these cup measurements, and on the other side you have 1/4, 3/4, all these kind of measurements. Before you start cooking, that's all. So I've used 2 cups of this white rice which I've washed well and I've drained and kept. So the spices that you would need to make for this peas pulao which is very simple. There's no onions, there's no garlic, there's no chopping, there's nothing. You need 3 bay leaves, about 3 sticks of cinnamon, around 3 large cardamoms, about little bit of mace, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 big star anise, and some saunf or fennel seeds. Ghee for your peas pulao. I am using vegan ghee over here. You can use whatever ghee you want. 2 tablespoons of it, that's all. Fresh mint leaves for garnishing. Salt to taste, how much ever that you want. And you need either fresh peas or frozen green peas. I am using frozen, I have with me. So I don't need to add extra water. And I'm using the same 2 cups measurement of this, like equal amount of rice, equal amount of patani. I have done all the things that are necessary have to do to fix this whole thing. So now it's time to cook in the Geek RoboCook. Alright, my appliance is connected and now I'm going to switch it on. And then it's just a matter of adding all this ingredient into this and filling it, shutting it and forgetting about it for the next 12 minutes, and my peas pulao, my mint peas pulao is done. Let's go. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is switch on the on button. It's very difficult to switch it on from this side, but I'm going to try for you guys. Okay, that's on. And now what I'm going to do is add everything into it. And the first thing that goes in is my rice. In today's time, nobody has the time to sit and make everything one by one by one. And the next thing that I'm going to be doing is adding in my vegan ghee into it. And then all I'm doing is dropping in all my spices into it. My biryani leaves, my cinnamon, the cardamom, the mace, the cloves. Voila, the star anise. And the fennel or the saunf. Now that's it, my spices have gone in. It's time for the salt. Let's say about half a teaspoon. That's all you need. Don't over salt it. If you want, you can always add a little bit more. A piece for this. But the water content will be normally for anything like 2 cups of rice, then it's 4 cups of water. 2:4, double, right? 1:2. So what I'm going to be doing in this time is 2 cups of rice, but 3.5 cups of water, because as my peas are frozen, they'll automatically release some water inside this cooker. So I don't want it to get soggy, so I'm reducing the water level a little bit. If your peas are fresh or if it's just plain rice without the peas, then please use the exact instruction in which it is printed, which means like 1:2, like 1 part rice, 2 parts water. So 2 cups rice, 4 cups water. Okay, couple of extra doesn't matter. Who doesn't love peas? I love patani. UFO patani, alien patani. Well, this is Robo Cook anyway. So we are heading into the futuristic. Like I said, instead of 4 cups, I'm adding 3.5. Now all we have to do is shut it, set it on rice and chill. So let's close it. Where is the thing? Aha! Where is the arrow? Locked and done. And now press the rice attachment out here. You have to press this. Okay, now the appliances has been plugged on. It's ready to be switched on. And you get this digital over here 0000. Now if you want a manual setting, whatever setting, it's your choice. I'm just going to make a simple rice. So all I need to do is press this rice button out here. That's it. Now as you can see, it's automatically 12 minutes. Now this 12 minutes countdown will start coming down. Look at it, it's starting to cook inside. Now once it comes to the temperature that it needs, once it pre-cooks, then the countdown starts to 12 minutes. Once it automatically comes down and goes to 0, you will hear 3 beeps. Beep, beep, beep. The moment that beep happens, it gets into the keep warm mode. It keeps your food warm automatically until the time that you eat it. Alright, so let's open it up and see what's happening. See, if it opens this easily, then it means it's done. If you're finding difficulty to open it, don't open it. It means that there is still a lot of steam inside, so you need to let it come down. So before you open the cooker, you need to push this knob on the top to the front to check to see if there is any steam, and notice this lever going up. So that's why if there's any extra steam trapped inside that, it will come out through this. So before you open the cooker, always check with this knob, like push it forward to see if everything is come and there's no noise, and then you open it. Okay, it's a moment of truth. Ta-da! Oh my God, that's so cool! It came out perfectly! Yes! I am super happy! Okay, all I got to do is plate it, garnish it with mint leaves, and my peas pulao with mint peas pulao is ready. Okay, let's check it out. Oh my God, it's perfectly cooked. And it's not even sticking to the bottom, you know. Oh, I love this. Get this wonderful smell. And you know what is the best thing about this particular Robo Cook, this Geek Robo Cook, is the fact that it locks in the entire nutrition in one pot. So which means like the whole rice and whatever that you're putting in is getting infused with all these herbs and with all these spices. So you're not losing any of the nutrition by separately frying everything and then trying to add it into another pot. And also, during these times with washing up and all that stuff, with us doing all the work, this will save a lot of mothers a lot of extra plates and washing up, because everything goes into one pot. So, and it's quiet, it's so efficient, it doesn't burn in the bottom, and you just don't have to worry about it. There are plenty of things you can do with your time. The most important thing is, do not use any metal spoons when you're working with this, and silicone spoons are fine, wooden spoons are fine. And they've given this cute rice cooper also. So I've just mixed in my pulao and it's done. Yummy. So let's plate up. Lord in heaven, thank you. And the reason I'm doing this in English is because everybody understands. But just for all of your sake, super product anga, kandipa try pannunga. இந்த மாதிரி வேறு ஏதாவது ப்ராடக்ட் உங்களுக்கு ரிவ்யூ பண்ணணும்னாலும் சொல்லுங்கள். ఎందుకంటే మీ వంట పని మొత్తం ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది ఇట్లాంటి ఒక అప్లయన్స్తో. സത്യം പറയുന്നുണ്ട്, ಅಡ್ಡಿಪೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಧನമാണ്. ನಿങ്ങളൊക്കെ ಉറപ്പ് ಇಷ್ಟಪடும். ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನು ನೀವು ಹಾಯಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಹಾಯಾಗಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. क्योंकि हमारा वक्त बहुत बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है ना, इसीलिए ये तो हमारा काम बहुत आसान कर देगा. तो ये गीक रोबो कुक मेरा जान बन गया और मैं इसे छोड़ने वाली नहीं हूँ. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लीव दिस. दिस इज़ लाइक माई बेस्ट बडी फॉर लाइफ. लाइक ओके, नाउ इज माई गीक रोबो कुक a woman or a man? I personally think that the Geek Robo Cook is a very hot woman, because it's sleek, it's strong, it's gorgeous, it's futuristic, it's sexy, and it's just amazing, and it does everything for me. Like, so it's pretty cool. I love it. It is 11-in-1 electric pressure cooker. Wow. And you can purchase this at www.harkin.in/geek. HARKIN.in/geek. The link is there in the description below. Wow! In Chennai, Geek Appliances. You can visit them on their website at www.geekappliances.in for more details also. They have everything. I am loving it. And if you guys love it too, please purchase the Geek Robo Cook. And I'm not saying this just because I reviewed the product. Even I was scared of it. But trust me, I was very apprehensive last evening when I made the pulao. I was like, what if it sticks to the bottom? What if the rice doesn't get cooked? What if the peas get overcooked? Everything becomes mushy. Because we're so used to the whistle thing that, I know, like it's like 1 or 2 and now I'm not hearing anything. I was sitting and wondering, why isn't it making a noise? All these things. But trust me, it's really a cool appliance, and I'm so glad that this turned out to be so successful and that I could share it with you guys. So I'm going to enjoy my pulao, and I want you guys to enjoy the amount of dishes that are there inside itself. In this recipe book is so many. You can make chana masala in this. You can make, oh my god, vegetable quinoa. Arre. Momos. There's a steamer function. Wow. You can make cauliflower curry, mushroom pulao, soup. There's a soup making function. Oh my god, I'm going to go crazy trying this out, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. Love you all. See you all next time. Order the Geek Robo Cook. You won't regret it. I didn't. I don't even need to wash. I need to take a paper towel and just mildly wipe it. That's it. now let's garnish. Garnish with some mint leaves. And you're done. Ta-da! Okay, let me taste it. I can't wait to go to the kitchen and get a spoon and all. My hands are clean. I am going to attack it, I say, immediately. Yum! Rice perfectly cooked. Peas perfectly cooked. It's so flavorful, you don't even need a gravy for this. You can just eat this rice plain. It's got all the flavors of a biryani. All the spices are infused. And there's a wonderful smell and a wonderful taste. I'm going to enjoy. I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh my God, what am I going to do with this? How am I going to cook with this? I mean, I'm so used to cooking in the conventional, the cooker or whatever appliances. Take it from me. Save time, saves a lot of things. It's fabulous. It's got more than 11-in-1 programs and it comes with a hell of a lot of features. It's called the Geek Robo Cook and it's manufactured by this company called Harkin.